Hello, let's look at tests with mock and requests underscore mock. First thing I want to mention is often something you will forget or get caught out by. You need the dunder init.py in your top level and also in your tests directory. I'm doing this in NeoVim. If you've got a plugin or something that does it automatically, then that's all good. So I've got tests directory here, and I've got a test example.py. So let's look at the AI example, which is the actual code that contains a function. So get AI response, and you pass in a prompt. The prompt can be whatever you want. Prompt is prompt. Headers, API key, OpenAI. So whenever you run this, it's going to cost you money. So what you want to do is actually get about that. What you want to do is actually have a test which mocks that, because then you can get your logic correct and then only test it, especially if you know that the test works. Sorry, if you know that the function works, but you want to use it elsewhere, then you just want to keep on running this test to check you haven't broken anything really. So let's go to, why is that not going? Right, so this is where we use import, and you have to do pip install for this. So requests mock, oh, requests underscore mock. So do a pip install for that. Then you need to just specify that you want to go up one directory to get your file that contains a function. I'm just doing import star. Got 100 functions, then don't use star. Pytest fixture. So this is something you want to set up once in your test. Then what we're doing is we're using mocker. So the function's called mocker. And then each time we run our test, we're calling that. So we're passing that in. Then we're saying the OpenAI completions URL, for instance. What we want to do is just mock the API. Then all we're really doing is we're just making sure that the function works properly with the status code of 200 and then status code of 500 so that we are handling the error properly. And all this is doing is it's saving you actually having to make a call to OpenAI and use up your tokens. I'll put this code in a gist and I'll put it in the link in the video description. But the point of this video really is just to, if you've not come across it already, I just wanted to just mention requests underscore mock. See they got mocker post there, mocker.post, and then mocker.post. Then you're going to simulate the 500 error. So what you're doing is you're checking that your function, which your function's called get AI response, checking that it's handling different status codes properly.